So today I'm going to teach you some basic cursive writing skills. You see, when people talking about cursive writing, I think the misunderstanding is that people think, oh, it's just write whatever you want. It's not like that because, for example, the way which I'm going to teach is the Zaner-Bloser way. Zaner-Bloser to calligraphy, and they try to develop the most efficient and energy-saving standard way of cursive writing. Why it got standardized? Because if everyone just write whatever they want, then the problem is that how do you even say that? You can't read it. You look at it, you don't know what it means. People say you just do a signature and you write something down, but then nobody else could even read it. Then that's meaningless because that could be meaningful only if you just take some notes you refer to yourself. That's why the cursive writing has been invented and developed into a standard way. Sorry, I'm teaching Zaner-Bloser. Zaner-Bloser way of cursive writing is, in my mind, is quite efficient. Efficient in a way, it's because at least to my impressions, how to say that, it's not fancy, not that fancy that you lose the structure, but it's still elegant enough that you have the it shows some gliding stroke. It's just go fluidly one stroke another. So I think it's focus on the fluidity. What I really mean is that if you're doing a cursive writing, what's the problem is that you feel you're blocked. Why you feel you're blocked? It's single stroke, because resistance is there. Like you want to clear off, or you want to crash down, or you want to set away some obstacle just in front of you. Obstacle in front of you. And how to do that? It's not like, for example, if I try to just smash it, I try to destroy it, I try to cover way out of it, it could be done. But the problem is just like you just use your head to go against the wall, a stone wall, or you backing up the round tree. Maybe it would work out, but you lost lots of energy, the waste of energy and time. Then how about this? You don't just go head to head. You don't just go head on to that obstacle. You go around it. Go around. Go around it like water. What I mean is that the water is not like use raw force you want to confronting all that is facing. It could confront. It could be tsunami. It could be accumulating into the tremendous enormous force if it truly want. But the thing here is that when it's not really unnecessary, you don't need to confront that obstacle head on. You flow around. I mean, you flow around that obstacle. That's why cursive writing is efficient. It's not because you put down one stroke and another like this. It can be done, but it's more like you waste lots of energy. You waste out energy. It's not people maybe thinking in another way. It's like you use all those curves to connect all those strokes together. Isn't it the waste? No. Why? Because those curves are like the pathway of water. You created a pathway to connect the different paths together, then that's flow naturally. If you have to like lift and stroke down, lift, stroke down, it's a really kind of consumption unnecessary for you. So it's cost efficient way.